How to download a YouTube playlist on your laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download a YouTube playlist on your laptop. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your web browser and go to the youtube.com. And make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are inside here, simply search for the playlist that you want to download. And if you try to download an individual video, you will see a download option. However, for playlist, there is no direct download button. So to proceed, you need to simply save the playlist to library. And after that, simply go to your library and find the playlist and check if the download option appears. And once you found that, simply click on download icon and your playlist will start downloading. Now ensure that each video in the playlist is downloadable because some videos may not have that option. So if certain videos aren't available for download, you may not be able to download the full playlist. And that's it. Now you have learned how to download a YouTube playlist on your laptop. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.